had a homework question come in on lesson 7, which is on page 459, and the question was for 3B. So 3B, it gives you a arrow diagram or a mapping diagram, and it asks, is this a function? Okay, so all they gave you was this, and they said, is this a function? So we know that this contains all our x values, and this contains all of our y values. And the question really had to do with 2 arrows are going to the number 5 here. So would that be a function if 2 arrows are going to the number 5? So for functions, all you ever need to be concerned about is your x values. So if I look here, what I care about is how many arrows are coming out of each x value. And out of each x value, I only have 1 arrow coming out of each one. So without doing any more work, this is actually a function, okay? Now I'm going to show you why this would be a function. So what I've done here is I've taken that mapping diagram and I've put it into ordered pairs, right? So 2 was mapped to 1, 4 was mapped to 5, 6 was mapped to 3, and 8 was mapped to 5. If I gave you these ordered pairs and I said, okay, well, based on the ordered pairs, is it a function? What you are looking for functions is you're only, again, concerned with your x values. So we're looking at 2, 4, 6, and 8. No x values repeat, so it's a function. Now, to see what happens with that y, like why was there 2 of these going to mapping to 5? That, where you could see that clearly, is in if you plotted your points, okay? So what I've done was I've taken my ordered pairs and I plotted them, right? So this first ordered pair is 2, 1, and then 4, 5, 6, 3. Actually, 4, 5 is incorrect, so just let me erase that. 4, 5 would be 1, 2, 3, 4, would be right up here. Okay, so if I gave you those ordered pairs and I said, well, is this a function? You would undergo your vertical line test. So through each point, draw yourself a vertical line, and if the vertical line only goes through 1 point, then it is going to be, in fact, a function. So all of my vertical lines, only 1 point lies on each line, so it's a it passes a vertical line test, and it would be a function.